In the heart of Barpeta, Assam, lies the Patbausi Satra, a centuries-old Vaishnavite monastery revered for its spiritual purity and deep-rooted traditions. But one tradition in particular often raises eyebrows: the restriction on women entering certain inner sanctums, especially during specific times. What lies behind this sacred rule? In many Indic spiritual traditions, including Neo-Vaishnavism, sacred spaces are maintained through a careful balance of spiritual energies. These energies, known as tattva, or subtle vibrations, are believed to fluctuate and interact, sometimes in harmony and sometimes in conflict. Women are not seen as impure, but as powerful vessels of Shakti, the divine feminine energy. During menstruation, this energy becomes especially heightened, intense, raw, and transformative. While deeply respected, this phase is traditionally considered incompatible with the specific vibrational field of certain sacred spaces, like the Manakut, inner sanctum, of the Satra. The inner sanctum of Patbausi Satra is believed to hold highly refined, subtle energies, established through centuries of sadhana, spiritual discipline. The amplified energy of menstruating women could, according to spiritual theory, disrupt this delicate alignment, not due to impurity, but due to energetic intensity. Just like two strong magnets may repel each other, the clash of potent energies is viewed with caution, not judgment. It's essential to recognize that women are not barred from the Satra entirely. They actively participate in rituals, singing, and cultural traditions outside the sanctum. The temporary restriction applies only to certain spaces and times, in alignment with centuries-old metaphysical beliefs. In an age of fast-paced reforms, it's easy to misread such traditions through the lens of exclusion. But for many in the spiritual community, these practices are less about patriarchy and more about honoring cosmic balance. Devotees, male and female alike, follow these guidelines not out of compulsion, but reverence. As the world evolves, questions of tradition versus change will persist. But sometimes, the answers lie not in opposition, but in deeper understanding. Patbausi Satra stands as a living example of a tradition that honors energy, sacredness, and spiritual alignment. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more cultural insights that go beyond the surface.